Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best tool bag to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of Top 5 Tool Bag. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Tote Waterproof Tool Bags. To prevent rain and other forms of moisture from ruining a good tool bag, buyers should keep an eye out for HVAC tool bags that sport waterproof and water-resistant fabrics. Like some other tool bags, this option from Tote has protective zippered pockets, but it's constructed of 600D polyester to keep tools safe from wet conditions. Though the brand notes it's waterproof, 600D polyester isn't technically so, thus earning a water-resistant title from us. I wasn't sure if I would like it since it was a non-brand name bag, but I'm thoroughly surprised it's still going, wrote one HVAC technician. I've had it packed full with my drill, box wrenches, drill bits, pliers, rags, and anything I can think of for months and haven't had any issues with the zippers or shoulder sling breaking, which happens to me far too often with other bags. Number 2. DeWalt DGCL 3333 USB Charging Tool Backpack. An HVAC backpack is the perfect happy medium between a standard tool bag and a bucket with the reliance and comfort of a backpack. This tool backpack from DeWalt is built to help HVAC technicians tote a decent load of tools courtesy of its multiple sections and 33 pockets. Not only that, but it comes with a flashlight and charging port to power through dim environments away from electrical outlets. This bag is the best tool bag I've used so far, explained one customer. I carry a lot of tools for HVAC and the combined weight is crazy heavy, but this bag is so well constructed, I haven't yet seen any tears or weaknesses developing after months of usage, but I do use the top carry handles more than the shoulder straps because this is what has damaged my previous bags. Number 3. WorkPro 14-inch Tool Bag. Tool bags can be expensive, especially when fancy features like a dual compartment design, a grease pencil carrier, a specialized construction material, or an LED light get involved. For a bag that can fit as many tools as needed, but won't break the bank, HVAC professionals can look to WorkPro's tool bag that's made of heavy-duty poly fabric. There are 7 tool pockets lining the outside and 6 lining the perimeter of the interior. Though it doesn't have a full plastic tray encapsulating the bottom, it does have 4 rubber feet to protect it from scraping. This is a great little tool bag, wrote a customer. It will not hold a huge amount of stuff, but it has a lot of small pockets inside and out that are very useful. I've been using it for a couple of months now and it's holding up very well with no problems. Number 4. Hilmor HVAC/Tote HVAC Bag. This best HVAC tool bag has 14 pockets lining the outside and 13 inside, which provides ample space to keep tools organized. While other tool bags may be bigger, it's only 7.5 by 13 inches, this one can still handle up to 50 pounds of weight, meaning the odd bigger tool or bulky tools can be included in your kit. The fairly large central compartment is open, offering easy access to what workers need. There is also a special pocket that seals shut for pricier gadgets, like a meter, or more fragile items like safety glasses. I'm in the HVAC trade and do around 4 to 6 calls a day. This bag has surpassed my expectations, wrote one HVAC technician. Perfect size to hold all the tools I need for most jobs, including my 12-volt drill and multimeter. It's very durable and shows no signs of wear or tear. Number 5. DeWalt DG 5587 Open Top Tool Carrier. Open top carriers are great for fair weather days or in climates where the elements aren't too harsh. With a whopping 33 pockets, this DeWalt tool bag can carry its fair share of equipment thanks to its large center compartment, but the open top model makes it a bit less impressive when it comes to protecting the tools inside. Even better is its sturdy metal handle, and extra pad for a comfortable grip, that collapses down to make access easier. There's also a shoulder pad that can be attached to help handle more weight. I purchased this bag to replace an old bag with no pockets that you had to dig through to find what you needed, wrote one reviewer. It is a big bag with many individual pockets for your screwdrivers, wrenches, or pliers. The open top keeps everything within reach for easy retrieval, especially when one of your hands is tied up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.